Hey everyone, it's Marla. I'm here to show you the Super Swap It Pocket and one of the many ways you can use it. In this case, in this video, I'm showing you how I use this as my go-to emergency kit in my car. I do have a different emergency kit with all the spark plugs, but you can put things in this Super Swap It Pocket that way. I just want to show you how I use this one for all kinds of medical things for my kids. I have the current personalization with the medical symbols so they know to grab this bag if there is an emergency. If you choose not to get that done, it will look just kind of like on this side, nice and plain. This is in the charcoal crosshatch. What I have is two handles, one on each side, so it's easy and quick to grab. Then you also have zippers going along the top here and along the bottom here. So you can see that there's two sections of zippers. And then on the inside, you have these mesh, not mesh, but like more like a springy pocket, one on each side on there. And then you have ones that have little slots right here. So those are great to stick pens, pencils in case you need to write some information down. Also really great to put things like lip glosses, chapsticks, if you're using this for makeup. I'm going to show you some of the things that I put inside the bag. So I like to carry all kinds of stuff because my kids are busy in sports and sometimes we're traveling, so this really helps out for us in the long run. So I have all kinds of airborne Tylenols, even some gauze tape and pain relievers. I usually just throw these bigger box type items on one of these zipper sides and I zip them shut. And if I have smaller ones like these, I will use the front section as well for easy grab. So that is pretty simple right there. I do like to carry some chapstick just in case, as well as things like Benadryl cream and all kinds of other extras. So if that's something that you'd like to carry with you, these pockets make really good places for it. Things that are a little bit bigger, like those ice packs that you can crack, or in our case, we have some that you can take to different hotels and use the facilities there to warm them up. Band-aids, all kinds of wipes, all fit really nicely in these open spaces. And what I also like is that full bottles, such as like these really big sunscreens, they can fit really nicely inside. So let's take a look at what I did here. So this is just a quick example of some of the things that you can fit inside the Super Swap It Pocket. And when you're done, you can just grab this, stick it in the back of your car, put it in a great place for you to store all your stuff so your kids or your spouse or a friend will know exactly where to grab the emergency stuff. So this is a Super Swap It Pocket. It comes in lots of different colors. Check it out at ilovebigbags143.com.